When someone sees one of your images, you want to really grab their attention and get them to respond. For that, you need something different. And different is exactly what you've got with ClickKosh. ClickKosh is a brand new cutting-edge tool that allows you to actually create hotspots right on your images that will have your viewers clicking to a link to see your product or site, send you an email, click to call you, or whatever action you want them to take. You can even have multiple choices on the same image for an exciting, interactive experience. Our point-and-click dashboard makes it super easy to create magical campaigns for any product or service that you sell. All you have to do is just log into the dashboard, upload an image, click on the images to create your shoppable hotspots, and you are done. With just a few clicks in under 1 minute, you can build your profit-pulling, interactive hotspot visual campaign that is impossible to ignore. ClickKosh hotspot images work seamlessly with Shopify, WordPress, ClickFunnels, Convertri, and many of your favorite platforms, or even right inside the biggest traffic source, Facebook. These hotspots draw people in with their attention-grabbing, pulsating effect. You could create unlimited images and campaigns. These shoppable images are proven to convert because people are actually buying what they see. And the best part, you could promote multiple products or links in just one go. It makes ClickKosh a groundbreaking software with features like interactive shoppable hotspot images, a huge library with 600 plus icons to use, Pixabay integration so you'll never have to pay for stock images, Adobe Image Editor so you don't have to pay for those fancy and expensive editing software. And you know what? Designo Pro 2 and Usign integration are also included so that you can add your own images as well. It's your chance to create an unmatched customer experience, whether you're an e-com marketer, local store owner, affiliate marketer, blogger, or a website owner. The possibilities, they are endless. ClickKosh is a cloud-based software, so you don't need to install anything on your computer, and you can access it with any device on any platform. Once you have activated ClickKosh, you will unlock the potential of highly captivating and engaging experiences and take your visitors by the hand to take action. And very comfortably, you will start enjoying more sales, commissions, and profits on autopilot, all because of ClickKosh. No need to spend countless hours or a single dime on outsourcing. It's your time to take the unfair advantage over your competitors and follow the proven system to compel, click, and convert. I must warn you though, one-time investment that you're going to make for ClickKosh is during this special launch only, after which it goes to its rightful 3 times higher price. So I highly recommend you do click the buy button right now below and make sure that you take action today, right now, before the next price bump. Our ClickKosh team is waiting to assist you and welcome you inside your exclusive members area.